Alright guys, sorry I didn't make videos recently, I was very busy, so I just wanted to make a brief update on what is happening with price of Bitcoin. I will try to make altcoins video because they are kind of doing crazy things right now. But first of all, about BTC, so it continues to go up. You see this ascending wedge, which is broadening wedge, and we are again after exiting this ascending triangle. I think I showed that here. So we exited it and we reached the full target around $23,000, and now we're consolidating at this area, which looks like just horizontal channel. And well, we actually had something similar here, and also it was bearish only at the beginning because after our little correction we continued to go up, so it's very likely that we might see the same thing. So we could continue going sideways, then make a fake breakout to the downside, and then continue to go up. This is a kind of a neutral scenario. The bearish scenario would be is that currently we have such a long period of the growth without significant correction, and when I say significant corrections, I mean something similar to what we had in 2017, for example, when it was 30 to 40% corrections. And of course, when you see such an exponential growth, people don't want to believe that this growth will stop and we will see those massive corrections, and they think that it will continue forever, at least for like $1 million per Bitcoin. However, it is not true, and well, market doesn't behave in this way. Moreover, the longer and the faster we go up, the more likely we will have a even deeper and stronger correction. So generally here, what I would like to point out as well is that we had kind of a slow growth here, and then the speed of the growth increased, and then we had another wave of acceleration right now. So the faster it develops, the more likely we see this correction at some point. So maybe actually as soon as we'll break this support line, it occurs. But we'll see, because we need to confirm it by the way of the exit from this consolidation zone. I would repeat, it could look like that and then continue to go up. Instead, if we'll go down and then test it from the bottom and then go lower, then it is much deeper correction, and first stop I would probably consider to be in this area between $17,600 and $19,500, where we actually have something like a 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. And also it was a previous zone with a lot of volume, a lot of support here. So probably somewhere at this box we might get the stop for this correction. Of course, everything could happen, but like potentially this is the very nice zone to end it. Another possibility, I would say that if we don't go down, if this support line holds, then we actually could go something like that. So if we'll do this exit to the upside, test the $24,000 level from the top and then go up again, then we might see something like a bull flag playing out. So this is the bull flag formation, and then the target is something like $27,000. That is the maximum target. Indeed, this is very possible, but again, I would just like to repeat that we would have to look at how this consolidation play out in the long term, where the exit, which direction the exit will be. The last thing which I would like to warn you about, there are 2 points actually. First of all is that here with this consolidation we have a very huge volatility, and this often happens at the peaks and or the very low dips of the market. So here 4 hours candles, and they actually go through the whole depth of this consolidation zone. So you can see on the lower time frame that something like this happens, or this. So it's kind of a nasty high volatility, and this again a sign of the toppy market. And another point is that currently we have the altcoins not outperforming Bitcoin. Moreover, they actually going pretty low recently, especially for example some kind of high caps like XRP, but XRP is a special case. Even Ether, you see, it didn't make a much higher price comparing with Bitcoin, and it's actually going down already. It's breaking this wedge, which is not a good sign. And the point is, usually when the Bitcoin price is in the consolidation area, altcoins are catching up. So here at this rise period, Bitcoin is outperforming altcoins, and here altcoins are doing the same, like they are catching up, right? But here instead, in this consolidation period, altcoins do not do that, meaning that probably they are not going to follow the next rise, or in other words, maybe there is not a next rise after this consolidation. I mean, about for the Bitcoin. So this is another warning sign. Well, again, we'll see how it goes. A lot of the updates as usual on Telegram and Twitter, so go ahead and follow if you haven't yet. And I would have to do some travel soon, so I'm not sure how often I will make videos, but I will do my best, guys. And if I don't manage to make another one before the new year, then Happy New Year, guys. And today is 24th, so Merry Christmas. I wish you all the best in the new year, more profitable trades and less stop losses hit. So be healthy, happy, value your loved ones, and I hope to see you in the next video. I hope that it was useful, guys. Goodbye.